Welcome to our culinary journey through the most famous Chinese cuisine recipes. You think you've had Chinese food? You've probably had some donkey's backside claiming to be Chinese. Today we're going to fix that. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these iconic dishes. We're diving deep into the heart of these recipes, exploring the history, the flavors, the techniques that make them absolute classics. We're talking Michelin star potential here if you pay attention for once. First up, we've got the Peking duck. This isn't just some greasy takeaway, no, this is a bloody institution in China. Roasted to perfection with crispy golden skin that melts in your mouth. It's a bloody symphony of textures and flavors. You'll be surprised to know that the secret lies in the preparation. They dry the duck, air dry it, for days. Then you baste it with a mixture of honey and spices. And the result? An explosion of flavor that'll leave you speechless. Next up, we're spicing things up with Kung Pao Chicken. This dish is a fiery legend, a roller coaster of flavors that'll blow your mind. Chilies, peanuts, and tender chicken, all tossed in a savory sauce. It's a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. The key here is to balance the heat of the chilies with the sweetness of the sauce. Get it wrong, and you'll be serving up a volcanic eruption. Get it right, and you'll be licking the plate clean. Chapter 3, Sweet and Sour Pork, a classic for a reason. Sweet and sour pork, a dish that needs no introduction. It's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. Crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. It's a bloody masterpiece. Listen up, you want to get that perfect crunch? You've got to fry the pork twice. That's right, twice. First, you blanch it, then you coat it in batter, and fry it until it's golden brown. Then, you toss it in that sweet and sour sauce, and you're in for a treat. Chapter 4, Dim Sum, a feast for the eyes and stomach. Now let's talk about dim sum. It's not just one dish, it's a bloody experience. Imagine a table overflowing with steaming baskets filled with all sorts of delicious dumplings, buns, and rolls. You've got your char siu bao, your har gao, your siu mai. It's a culinary adventure every single time. This is about sharing, about trying new things, about getting your hands dirty. It's about family, friends, and good food. Chapter 5. Mapo Tofu, Vegetarian Delight. Finally, we're finishing strong with Mapo Tofu. Don't let the tofu fool you, this dish is packed with flavor. Silky tofu swimming in a spicy, savory sauce. It's a vegetarian dream come true. The key to a good Mapo Tofu is the Sichuan peppercorns. They add a unique numbing sensation that'll leave your taste buds tingling. It's not for the faint of heart, but trust me, it's worth the adventure. We hope you enjoyed this delicious tour of Chinese cuisine. Now, you've got no excuses. Get your apron on, get those knives sharpened, and start cooking. And if you manage to cook something half decent, maybe, just maybe, you'll have impressed me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.